Today, I want to show you how I dress my salads, right? This salad is a rainbow salad. It has cauliflower, it has carrot, beetroot, kale, cucumber, asparagus, avocado, and some chicken, right? Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to dress it first with lemon. Lemon to help increase digestive fire. Now, I also put grapefruit, and grapefruit is great for this special acidic taste. I put a little bit of apple cider vinegar to help alkalinity. I love the crunchiness of sesame seeds. Put a little bit of Bragg Aminos. This is protein from vegetables, great substitute for soy sauce. Now comes the part where I make this salad also a heavy metal detox salad. So I put some spirulina, kelp for the extra iodine, and dulce for extra heavy metal detox power. Then I put some sea salt, nutritional yeast, which will overcharge it with B vitamins. Really generous with the olive oil. This is balsamic vinegar. I just add a tiny little bit just for the taste. This is the magic touch. These are cleans, fermented Ayurvedic adaptogens. This one is fermented ashwagandha. In times of rapid adaptation that is needed today with the coronavirus and things are changing, we need the power to adapt. So I add a little bit of ashwagandha to all my salads and all my smoothies. A little bit of Nourish, which is fermented moringa, and moringa is an incredible plant because it has every nutrient that the human being needs in order to survive. I use it as a natural multivitamin, multi-mineral, multi-antioxidant. And then last but not least is turmeric, fermented turmeric. This is a powerful adaptogen, but mostly known for calming down inflammation. Now, to finish it off, I use some sesame tahini sauce. I mix it up with a little bit of olive oil, and I throw that in. Talk about incredible biodiverse source of phytonutrients and proteins from the chicken. I mean, this is a salad that you can survive on for the rest of your life. Enjoy.